Pushrod Fury. Listen to that musical accompaniment, main squeeze accordion orchestra out of New York City in the background. And how appropriate. This is a very rare event. This is another unboxing because the internet needs more unboxing videos, but we're gonna do it and we're gonna be committed to it because this is hardcore. This is for the RD400. Enjoy the music and we're just gonna see what's in the box. So here we go. Well, how appropriate. How Do I Live Without You playing in the background with all the RD goodies, Hagon shocks, K&N, air filter assembly, little workshop manual, just to make sure I stay on track. The decals, which are gonna go up to LRC, and they're gonna do the paint. Got my Sudco rebuild kits and my new foam for the seat. So that's it. That's it for the unboxing. Plenty of goodies for the RD project. All right, thanks.